Hi, and welcome back to the light. In this walkthrough today, I'm going to show you how to customize your chart displays using the chart settings in Parashara's Light. This setting allows you to control the visual style and data inside of your birth charts. From planets and special points to the chart layout and style, this will make it look just the way you need it to work. So let's get started. You can find the chart styles in two ways. The first, going up to the red screwdriver and blue wrench like we usually do, clicking on it, and you'll see it will open up the pop-up window. You can click on Chart Styles. There you have the User Preference pop-up window on the Chart tab, which is the first tab on the left-hand side. The other place you can access this is Options, the first drop down, which is chart style, and we come to the same window with the chart tab at the very top left. I'm going to start with the chart style, and you can see there's 5 different formats. Currently, we are on the North Indian format, and this is the typical diamond chart. In the North Indian chart, the houses stay consistent. You have the first house, the second house, the third house, the fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The signs change, but the house numbers don't. This is in contrast to the South Indian chart, which, as you can see here, the signs stay consistent, but the house numbers change. So it's a flip from the North Indian style. And here we have Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. The corners of the South Indian chart are always the mutable signs. The next format is circular, and this is more typical of the Western chart. Following this, the next two are a little bit similar. The first one is Bengali, and the last one is Araya. I typically spend most of my time on the North Indian chart. Of course, it's completely up to you what format and style works for you. That's a little bit on the different chart formats. Now, moving back to the left, you see planets displayed, and you see the outer planets, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Typically, these are left unchecked, and if you would like to add them, you simply check them and you will see that they are added. The outer planets are not used in traditional Vedic astrology, but if you like modern interpretations and like to use a blended or hybrid system, this can certainly be to your advantage. And just to show you what that looks like in the South Indian, you can see where the outer planets have been added. Now moving to the next section called Special Points. The next several drop downs are where you can add different points or lagnas to your chart to add additional layers. If you want to know what each of these means, I've added a worksheet in the PDF that has a brief explanation for each of these. For example, if we click on Duma, you will see Duma appears. Similarly, if we click on Gulika, you will see it appear as well. And just to show you what this looks like in the North Indian, you will see where Duma and Gulika appear. At the very bottom, you'll see something called highlights. If you click on the only option here from Sotri, Dasha, and BSP, click OK, the current Dasha of the person will be highlighted in a gray circle. This is an added bonus to give you a snapshot of the person's current Dasha. I'm going to move over to the right hand of the screen and do a little bit of a deeper dive with the layout of the South Indian chart. If we click on this first option, 3D frames for South Indian charts, you'll see a darker kind of intense black frame around the chart appears. And then the next 4 allow you to customize the different corners of the signs. You'll see there is a top left corner, a top right corner, bottom left, and bottom right. All of the drop downs for each of the corners are the same, and you have different options if you would like anything in each of the corners. For example, for top left corner, if we select sign number, you will see the sign number popped up. For top right corner, if we clicked on the full sign name, you will see that appear in the top right-hand corner. And the same goes for the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to click on house number from the Lagna, and you will see the house number from the ascendant appeared. And then the bottom right corner, I'm going to click on house number from the moon, and you will see that appears. That can give you some additional specifics to help you navigate through the South Indian chart. Logo file path. This is if you would like to add your logo when you print out your chart. If you would like to do this, you simply click on Browse and upload your logo. This can add personal branding to your charts. This is available only if you print your chart. This isn't available on screen or on your laptop. That's it for charts and understanding the different chart styles. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next lesson.